What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Get My Tech On. Today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Fire Stick with the Alexa voice remote. Looking at the front of the box here, it says Amazon Fire Stick with the Alexa remote. We've got the Amazon logo down below, some of the services up at the top. Come over to the side, we have some of the specifications of it. Flipping over to the back here, we have some of the specifications along with some descriptions for each of them. And then we also have some commands that you can try out. And then on the other side, we can look at what is included and then what is needed. And then also some of the other services up at the top. And then on the top of the box, we have a pull tab here that we can go ahead and pull on and open up the box. Opening up the box here, we have a little container that holds all of the contents. And then it just flips right open. Up at the top, we have some of our manuals, so we can go ahead and take a look at those. In here it talks about what's inside of the box and then also how to set up your Amazon Fire Stick. And then here it talks about the Alexa voice remote. And then how to complete the on-screen setup. On the back it has some tips and troubleshooting. Now taking a look at this other pamphlet. Opening it up, it talks about the remote and then also some commands that you can try out. Now opening it up, it talks about the Prime member benefits and then some of the things that you can try out on the TV. Now we're going to go ahead and put that aside and then go ahead and take out the wall brick. And then here we have the remote. And it's plastic wrap, so we can go ahead and take that off. And then here is the remote for all of its buttons with the Alexa button up at the top. Flipping over to the back. We have our little compartment where we can put the batteries in. We can go ahead and put that aside as well. And now we can take out the actual Fire Stick. It also has plastic wrap on it, so we'll go ahead and take that off. As you can see here, it says Amazon. And then there's our HDMI. Go ahead and put that aside. And then here we can take out the included batteries for the remote. And then we can go ahead and take out our cable. It is a micro USB. And then we can go ahead and take out this adapter. It is a HDMI to HDMI, so it's kind of an extender if you need that extra length for your Amazon Fire Stick. Nothing else in the box, so we can go ahead and put that to the side. So So this looks like a pretty awesome little package that we got here with the Fire Stick and the Amazon remote. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out our new Instagram, Getting My Tech On TV, and make sure to subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.